Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter 1, 2 and 3 and we will cover the true, false and fill-ups. So let's start. Dear students, as these all the exercises are given in your book, so I am going to discuss the answers of these questions so that you can learn it and do it in your book. So chapter first, question number 1. Write T for true and F for false statements. So question number 1 is the computer processes the data to provide information. Students, this is true. Why? Because whatever we enter with the help of keyboard and mouse to the computer processes it and gives the output or provide the information in the form of output. Question number 2. A mouse allows you to move your finger across a pressure sensitive pad and press it to click. Student, this is false. A microphone or mic is a device which allows you to record your voices or sounds. Yes, student, this is true. If you want to record your voice to the computer or in the computer, so you have to use microphone or mic. With the help of microphone, you can record your voice in the computer. The full form of RAM is Radio Access Memory. Dear students, this is false. Why? Because the full form of RAM is Random Access Memory. Next question is RAM is a temporary memory. Student, this is true. RAM is a temporary memory. Dear students, if you don't have any PDF of these exercises, you can take the screenshot and then complete your work. Now next question is ALU does all the calculations, comparison and decision making. Yes student, this is true. ALU is a component of CPU and it does all the calculations, comparisons and decision making. Now CU controls the flow of information. Yes student, this is true. CU full form of CU is control unit and the term control means to control the flow of information. That's why this is true. CPU and other components are attached to the motherboard. Yes student, this is true. CPU and other components like mouse, keyboard, monitor, everything connected to the CPU box and which is inside CPU box, and there is a motherboard which is connected to the CPU box and all the cables are connected to that motherboard. Clear? Next is laser printer use a dry powder called toner to print. Yes student, this is true. Students, I would like to tell you about laser printer. Laser printers use laser light and a dry powder called toner to print. They provide the best print quality. Nowadays many of the users are using laser printer because its quality is too good. Next question is software is a program or set of programs that tells a computer what to do. Students, this is true. Next question is hardware is made up of bricks. No, this is false. Your house is made up of bricks. That's why it is false. Next, the Paint program is an example of computer hardware. No student, this is false. Paint program is an example of computer software. Now next question is fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash is the collection of facts and details which are unorganized. Answer is data. Students, here un and organized there is one space, it should be together. Now next question is dash is the sequence of instructions given to a computer to change data into information. So processing is the sequence of instructions given to a computer to change data into information. Students, when we enter any thing to the computer with the help of input devices, processing is the sequence of instruction. It means when we enter, after entering the data, computer processes it. Clear? To give the output. Now next question is on a dash you touch the screen to execute a command. On a touch screen you touch the screen to execute a command. A digital camera records pictures in the dash form. A digital camera records the pictures in the digital form. Now next question is the dash is the processing device which does all the calculations, comparisons and decision making in the computer. Dear students, here one mistake. In last word you can see computer is written, but in your book it is written CPU. So students, you can correct it. In the place of of CPU, it should be computer. So what is the question? The dash is the processing device which does all the calculations, comparison and decision making in the computer. So answer is CPU. CPU means central processing unit. The dash and dash are components of CPU. ALU and CU, or you can write CU and ALU are components of CPU. Next is the dash printer use a black ribbon to print. Student, dot matrix printers uses a black ribbon to print. Students, I would like to tell you about dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers use a black ribbon to print. Characters are formed by the combination of dots. The print quality is not very good compared to laser printer or inkjet printer. Now students, if you want to know about the dot matrix printer, whenever we are going to or we go to the railway station, you can see the example of dot matrix printer. Our offline tickets are printed with the help of dot matrix printer. Clear? Now next is the dry ink toner is used in dash printer. The dry ink toner is used in a laser printer. Dash is the term used to refer the physical components of a computer. Students, hardware. Hardware is the term used to refer the physical components of a computer. Next question is dash is the memory which holds the data, programs, result while you are working on the computer. Students, RAM. RAM means random access memory. It is the memory which holds the data. It means students, suppose you are typing something. So during that time all the data will be stored in RAM. When you will save it, that will be stored in the storage devices like hard disk or pen drive or DVD, CD, etc. Now chapter 2. Write T for true and F for false statement. So question number 1. Icons represent the program associated with them. Yes student, this is true. Icons represent the program associated with them. The taskbar is present in the middle of the desktop. No students, this is false. The taskbar is present in the bottom of the desktop. Clear? Where the start button is present. So that's why it is false. You can get a deleted file back from the recycle bin if the recycle bin has not emptied. Yes students, this is true. Suppose you are deleting something and you want to get it back. So if you will not empty the recycle bin, then you can restore your file from the recycle bin and it will go to its original location from where you have deleted. A file is a computer work stored with the name on a disk. Yes student, this is true. Now, you cannot rename a file or folder. This is false. We can rename a file or folder. You cannot create a folder inside another folder. No students, we can create many folders inside a folder. That's why it is false. Now, fill in the blanks. The dash of a computer is responsible for the storage or retrieval of files and managing the information. So, operating system. Answer is operating system. You can write in short form OS, but here you have to write the full name, operating system. The Windows OS means operating system, is also called a GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Why? Because Windows operating system is a GUI interface. Clear? The dash button is located on the taskbar. The start button is located on the taskbar. When you delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin. Next is dash keeps files organized by grouping them together. So folders keeps file organized by grouping them together. To copy a file into the folder, press dash key and drag and drop it into the folder. So press control key. With the help of control key, we can drag and drop that file in that folder where we want to store. Now students, true false. Write T for true and F for false statements. This is the true false of chapter 3. Now first question, the Windows Media Player program is used to record the voices in your computer. False. Windows Media Player program is used to play the video, audio or movies. In the sound recorder, the dash button is used to stop recording. So in the sound recorder, the dash button, which button? This button is used to stop recording. So this is false. This button is used to start recording. In Windows Media Player, this button is play is the play button? Yes student, this is true. This is the play button of Windows Media Player. The sound recorder and the Windows Media Player applications are stored inside the entertainment menu. Yes student, this is true. When you will click on start button, one list will appear. You have to click on all programs. When you will click on all programs, again one list will appear. In that list, the Windows Media Player and sound recorder will be available in the entertainment menu, inside the entertainment menu. In Windows Media Player, you can play only video files, not audio files. Student, this is false. In Windows Media Player, we can play audio files, video files like movies, videos, etc. Now fill in the blanks. The word multimedia is a combination of two words, dash and dash. So the word multimedia is a combination of multi and media. When you combine text, sound, video and graphics in a single application, it becomes a dash application. It becomes a multimedia application. The dash program is used to play your video or music files. So the Windows Media Player program is used to play your videos or music files. Students, in your book, there is one mistake. In help box, one option is given sound recorder. So you have to cut it, and in the place of sound recorder, you have to write Windows Media Player, because in this answer we have to select the Windows Media Player and the answer will be Windows Media Player. That's why you have to cut that option, and in the place of that option you can write Windows Media Player. Next question is, in the sound recorder, the dash button is the dash button. So this button is showing. In the sound recorder, this button is the record button. Next is, in the Windows Media Player, to temporarily stop the playing of a file, click on the dash button. So click on pause button. Pause button will temporarily stop the playing of that file. It means whatever you are playing, like video, audio, it will be paused for a certain time.